Hi friends, welcome to WP Themes channel, a channel dedicated to WordPress themes, plugins, its installation and troubleshoot. So today in this video we are going to install GamePlan WordPress theme, GamePlan event and Gym Fitness WordPress theme. So it is a wonderful theme and developed by the Cactus Themes. They are Power Edit author and they are known for the developing wonderful themes in the industry. This GamePlan theme is old. In fact, it was released in 2013 and it is getting regularly updated as well. So best new theme, best mobile theme, and it has some awards as well. So let us start the installation of GamePlan event and Gym Fitness WordPress theme. I have the fresh installation of WordPress in which the 2020 WordPress theme is installed by default, and I got the GamePlan theme package in which I got documentation, installation file, licensing and sample data in installation file. Plugins are there, some plugins, important plugins, in fact multiple plugins are here, and theme files in GamePlan, and GamePlan child is here. We can start the installation. Go to the WordPress dashboard, appearance, themes, add new, upload theme, GamePlan, installation file, theme, gameplan.zip. And if you are having direct access to your server, you must have that. You can upload directly in the WP content themes folder. I'm doing the same. Range file size is 18.18 MB. It will take a bit time. Just we need to wait. Once uploaded, we need to extract the zip file. Extract here. Reload. This is not required in fact. So we got all the components of GamePlan theme in this folder. Now we can delete the GamePlan zip folder. We are not going to use it further, and go to the WordPress panel and themes. GamePlan is here. We can take a detail. GamePlan version 1.6.2, Cactus theme, a multi-purpose theme suitable for business, game and sport, travel and all. So activate it. As soon as we activate, we get an alert for the required plugin set installation. Begin installing plugin, and this is the required plugin which has been marked red here. So first we need to install Visual Composer. And you will be directed to the Visual Composer landing page at next page. That is, you have to ignore that. So again come to the begin installing plugin and install GamePlan shortcodes. Activate GamePlan shortcuts. Now install WP Page Navi. activate it. There are multiple plugins, in fact. Contact from 7. I am installing all the plugins because I need to show you all the components of theme, and it should be displayed in this video that there is no error or like whatever is not required we can delete on later stages. Custom sidebars, I'm installing custom sidebars. Activate game plan member. Activate game plan portfolio. Activate game plan sample data. Activate game plan tribe add-ons. It has been navigated to sample data, but we need to finish the plugins first. We will come to this. A revolution slider. Activate revolution slider. Events calendar, the last one. Now we have installed the theme and all the plugins, in fact. Now we can take a look of our website, how it looks after installing the theme and plugins. Yes, it has been installed and everything is here. So sample data is not here. This is why it is not creating the original look of demo website. Now we need to import the demo content. For importing demo, you need to go in tools, demo content install, and this is the sample data package which we need to install. Click on install. This alert is for not for us because we are installing the fresh. It will take a bit time because it will import all the images, media files, and all set of pages. So be patient. Don't refresh the page, don't leave the page, just wait and watch. So I use various methods to import the demo contents, but finally demo is not imported properly. I must tell you, I am just uploading this video to YouTube so that you may know the actual complicacy of any theme, and I never hide anything. I got all the pages here, but no page is working properly. I used various methods. In fact, I installed a plugin called one click demo import, but it is also not working, and I also gone through the documentation given in the theme by the given by the theme developer, and this demo content link is not working. In fact, so page not found error is getting over there. However, this link was given by the theme developer itself. So finally, I am in conclusion to not to use this theme for any website as of now, and I am not recommending it, as I seen in the starting of this video that the theme is good, but somehow it is not working. It may be the version of the theme which I am using, but for this version it is not working at all. I spent sufficient time for this, so I'm just keeping this video incomplete, and this installation is I'm marking this installation is incomplete, and I will come with another video for this theme, maybe, not sure, but definitely I will come with another themes. Just keep watching and subscribe this channel, and also hit the bell icon, because you are having another option of a sports theme at the WP Themes channel. Don't worry, I'll try to make this video again, but for this time I'm sorry, and we will bring some important and good themes for the sports sections. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful time.